Hello friends, in this video you will learn about top view of binary tree program. The task is given below is a binary tree. The task is to print the top view of binary tree. Top view of a binary tree is the set of nodes visible when the tree is viewed from the top. For the given below tree, see this, top view will be 42137. 42137. Note, print from leftmost node to rightmost node like this. Input output, I will explain the example. Our task is just complete the function print top view. See this, here is the example. Input, first one is the number of test cases. In every test case, we take the two lines. First line is the number of relationships in between parent and child. There are two relationships are there. And the tree, this is a string. Second line is a string that represents a tree. Same way other test cases also. See this output. First take this first test case to get the idea about this output. 1. 1 is the root. 2. 2 left. 2 is the left of 1. See this 2 is there. For this 1 3 r is 3 is the right to 1. See this 3 is there. From the top view 2 1 3 all elements are visible. See this output 2 1 3 left to right. To solve this task, here is our code. Top view. To solve this task, I am using queue with the pair node star int. One value is stores the node's address, another one is element value. This is the distance. Nothing but int is stores the distance. Variable is q. Initially, the root distance is 0. See this. From the root, distance equal to 0. Then q dot push make pair push the root and distance. This root node address and distance d is pushed into the queue. Then for finding the map, that element occurs with the same distance. There are multiple elements are there. For finding such elements, map is used here. Here is used map for that. In map int m. First int stores the distance. Second int stores the element value. Here is the while loop starts. Q empty or not. Q empty equal to false. It is true because Q having the root address and distance. T is the same variable as Q friend. Take the details of Q friend to T. Then check this one. M find T dot second. T dot second is the distance 0 equal to m dot n. 0 is in the not in the m. It is true. Up to now map is empty. So this is the first element. 0 is the first element that is not present in the map. So this block execute. M of 0 equal to t first data. T first data is 1. Take this first test case to get the idea about this one. This is a 1. M of 0 is 1 now. Then check this one. T first is node address. So left not null. Yes, not null. Left having the 2 node. So this block execute. Then push that one. Q push make pair T first left, comma. When we go to the left, the distance is decreased. When we go to the right, distance is increased by 1. So we are going for left. Then take the node address and distance. T dot first left, comma. T dot second minus 1. Then check this one. T first write not null. Yes, it is not null. There is a 3 node is there. That is also pushed into the queue. Q dot push make pair T dot first write comma T dot second plus 1. We are adding the 1 for 3 minus 1 for 2. Then Q dot pop. This element is popped out. Check this one. Q is empty or not? Not empty because in the queue 2 and 3 are there. Both node details are there. Once again, T get the Q friend data. Q friend is 2 now. The T second value is minus 1. M dot find minus 1 equal to M dot n. Minus 1 is not present in M map. It is true. Minus 1 is not there. Then this also enter to the if block. M of minus 1 equal to T dot first data. T dot first data is 2. 2 is there. 2. Then check this one. If T dot first left not null, not equal to null, it is the null. So if block not execute. Then check this one. T dot first right not null, it is null. 2 right also null. This block also not execute. Just Q dot pop. This 2 node is popped out. Then check this while loop. Q empty or not? Not empty because 3 node details are there. Then T get the Q friend data. 3 node data. In that T second value is 1. M dot find 1 is not present in the map. Yes, it is not present because in the map 0 minus 1 0 is there, 1 is not there. So this block execute. M of 1 equal to T first data, nothing but 3. 3 is there. Check this if block. T dot first left not null, it is null. So this is false. This block not execute. Check this one. T dot first right not null, it is also null. 3 right also null. Then this block not execute. Q dot pop. This node also popped out. This 3 details also popped out from Q. Q is empty now. Q empty equal to false. It is false. Then while loop stops execution. See this. Here is a map. Int end. I am creating iterator I with this initialization for I. For loop starts in the map to get the data. I equal to m dot begin. Map is sorted the details. So the details are like this. Key is the distance. Minus 1, 0 and 1 is there. Minus 1 pointing the data details is 2. 0 pointing the details of 1. 1 pointing the details of 3. How those are executed with the for loop. I equal to m dot begin. Then cout I second. Minus 1 pointing. Check this one. I not equal to mn. I not reach it to the end. Map end. So this block execute. For loop execute. Cout I second. I second is the 2. Because minus 1 pointing 2. 2 is printed. Then I increments. I not reach it to the map end. Then once again cout I second. I now I is pointing this row, that is 0 1. So second one is 1. I second pointing 1 now. Printed 1. See this 1 is printed. Then I increments. I not reach it to the map end. Once again cout I second. In this time I second pointing 3 now because I first is the 1, I second is the 3. 3 printed. Then I increments I plus plus. That is reached m end, map end. So This for loop stops execution. This is the output 213. See, our code is right or not by compile test. See this, expected output, our output is same, then submit. Yes, correct answer with the execution time 0.02. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.